Welcome to my channel. Hopefully you guys like this look right here. This is what I'm going to be filming. Sorry I have to do this in a voiceover. It's pretty funny. Well, yeah, it's a rainbow eyeshadow look and rainbow brow. So hope you guys enjoy the look. If you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. And happy Pride Month. Yes. Okay, so first I'm going to start with doing my brows, and I'm going to put like basically the rainbow colors underneath my brows, like kind of outlining it. I've never done this before, so hopefully it does come out like what I expect it to, which is super cute. But if not, that's fine. We'll work with it. So I'm going to start with like red, orange, blah, 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 blah. I'm going to be using the 35B palette from Morphe, and I was swatching these. I'm going to go into the red, but I was swatching these, and at least for red, like it is super dry and chalky, like not buttery at all. So I'm going to put the red in front. And I guess afterwards I can clean it with concealer to make it like super sharp. So now after red is on, I'm going to go into orange. I'm going to try my best to dust off a little bit, but I'm just going to leave and do the same brush because number one, I don't have a lot of brushes, and number two, maybe it'll just kind of help it blend itself by using the same brush. I feel like this orange is not showing up as pigmented as I want it to be. It's looking pretty corally right there. Now I'm going to go into yellow. Ah! I'm knocking things down. I think yellow is going to be the hardest to get to show up. And my brows are getting crazy. So recently I've just been really hungry and craving like tons and tons of like food, like out to eat food. And I realized, I don't know if anybody else kind of eats like this, but I eat in like phases. So like I'll be super into a certain type of food, and like I'll eat it and eat it and eat it until I'm like kind of over it. I feel like I've talked about this before. And right now I got into like a Chipotle phase where like I went with my friends Courtney and Yesenia. I can't stop. Okay, that's an exaggeration. I went like twice with them, and I added veggies. I added veggies to my bowl, and like now I'm addicted and I want to go back. So now I'm literally just going to clean it up right here, the brow, and like conceal it, and like maybe go over and blend. Do the other brow on this side, and then I'm going to go to the eyeshadow. So now my rainbow brows are done, and I did this one. My first one was better than the other one because this brow is my better brow, I'm pretty sure, like. And this one is just like a little thicker than this one. But still, I'm very happy with the way that it turned out. I think it looks so cool, especially for never doing this before. I'm basically going to trace the outline of my eye in rainbow, and then kind of also put like blue and purple underneath the bottom. So now I'm just going to go ahead and clean that up. So basically kind of just like cut again around the eye, cut right here so it forms like a really clean cut, like circular shape. So now I literally just like cut the lid and I put white over it, and now I'm going to just kind of clean it up a little and do the other eye, and I'll be right back. So here I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild bronzer, and I look disturbed because I actually don't really like this bronzer. I don't really like the undertone of it. But this is the second time that I used it, so I was like, why not give it a try again? And I was not very happy with it. It's too like orangey for me. And also I really tug at my skin pretty hard, so there's that. Then I used Milani Luminoso blush. I really like this blush because it's like got a sheen to it, as you can tell on my cheeks. So it kind of gives me like a little bit of a glow, especially in the sunlight. It's one of my favorite blushes. Definitely recommend that if you like the way that it looks. It's more like a peachy blush. Ooh, I look angry. Next, I'm going to use the Anastasia Moonchild highlighter kit, which I haven't pulled out in a long time. But this has a lot of cool and fun colors, and I ended up choosing to do the green highlight. I basically just, apply that to the high points of my cheeks. and underneath my brow, and I go pretty, I'm taking a while to decide. I go kind of heavy with it because I really like the way that it looks, especially for like a fun look like this. It's like you can be really creative with the amount of highlight that you put. I wanted to go in with the Cover FX glitter drops, but I decided not to, and the green was really cool. Even put it on my nose and above my lip, and also on my forehead as well. Still on the forehead. Okay. Next, I do a little bit of blue under the eyes and a little bit of purple, and I blend that underneath and just kind of blend those two together. And I also don't show this, but I line the waterline of my eyes with like a ColourPop, and it's cream water pencil, I don't know. Then I just use this mascara from Essence. It's one of the Lash Princesses ones, and unfortunately I also don't recommend this. I just kind of pulled it out, but it's not really one of my favorites, especially even at the drugstore. Not worth it. Pass on it for sure. This Too Faced hot pink lip thing that I've never used before. So yes, we're still in voiceover. Aw, look at cute me. I love the look. Hope you guys love the look. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Ooh, slow your roll. Give this video a thumbs up. I guess I don't know how to put thumbs up because I just really wanted you to give this a thumbs up. I knew it was going to be a voiceover, so that's why it was pretty funny to me. Oh, down below. What am I talking about down below? Leave some comments. Love you guys. See you in my next video. Mwah.